Anemia is a common condition characterized by lower than normal hemoglobin levels in the blood. Hemoglobin, a protein found in red blood cells, facilitates the transport of oxygen from the lungs to peripheral tissues, essential for cellular energy production. There are various types of anemia, including iron deficiency anemia, the most common form, as well as hemolytic anemia, megaloblastic anemia, thalassemia, and sickle cell anemia. Regardless of the underlying cause, anemia results in decreased tissue oxygenation, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, muscle cramps, especially during physical activity like climbing stairs, pale skin and conjunctiva, irregular heartbeat, shortness of breath, dizziness, and lightheadedness. Treatment plans for anemia typically involve dietary adjustments. A well-balanced diet for managing anemia should include foods rich in iron and other essential vitamins necessary for hemoglobin and red blood cell production, including vitamin B6 and folate. Additionally, the diet should incorporate foods that enhance iron absorption in the body. Iron in foods exists in two forms: heme iron and non-heme iron. Heme iron is primarily found in animal-based sources like meat, poultry, and seafood, while non-heme iron is present in plant-based foods and fortified products. Both types of iron can be absorbed by the body, with heme iron being more readily absorbed. Vitamin C also plays a critical role in increasing iron absorption, particularly from non-heme sources, by facilitating absorption in the small intestine. Therefore, including vitamin C-rich foods in the diet, especially for individuals with limited intake of animal-based foods, can improve iron absorption. Examples of vitamin C-rich foods include citrus fruits, leafy green vegetables, guava, and bell peppers. It's important to note that calcium inhibits iron absorption, so foods high in calcium should not be consumed alongside iron-rich foods. Foods rich in iron for managing anemia include the following: meat and poultry. All types of meat and poultry are rich in heme iron, with red meat, lamb, and venison being particularly notable for their high iron content. Poultry and chicken, while containing iron, generally have lower amounts. Pairing meat or poultry with non-heme iron foods, such as leafy greens, along with vitamin C-rich fruits, can enhance iron absorption. Organ meats. Organ meats are excellent sources of iron, with liver being perhaps the most popular. Liver is abundant in iron and folate, while other iron-rich organ meats include heart, kidney, and beef tongue. Seafood. Seafood is highly nutritious, with fish and shellfish serving as exceptional sources of heme iron. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines also provide omega-3 fatty acids, beneficial for heart health. Additionally, seafood offers high-quality animal protein, with regular consumption being linked to reduced risks of heart disease and diabetes. Leafy green vegetables. Dark leafy greens are among the best sources of non-heme iron, including spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard. Some, like Swiss chard and collard greens, also boast folate, crucial for red blood cell production. Nuts and seeds. Various nuts and seeds are packed with iron and can be incorporated into your diet as snacks. Examples include pumpkin seeds, cashews, pistachios, hemp seeds, sunflower seeds, and pine nuts. Both raw and roasted nuts offer similar iron content, with almonds also being a notable source. While almonds are a healthy addition to your diet, their high calcium content may limit iron absorption.